Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto live stream. And man, oh man, is this going crazy. I've been watching it for a little while right now. We got a huge profitable trade in just right now, and oh my days, is this going nuts. So today I want to quickly take a little bit of a look at this while also just vibing with you guys, just chatting around, because this is insane. And I'm thinking we're going to be pulling back quite hard from right now on forward. Theoretically speaking, we could open a short. I'm not really the type of guy to short, you guys know it, but damn, oh damn, is this price action crazy. Have you guys been watching this? This is the 1 minute chart for XRP, guys. I can't even. You guys been watching this? We went to freaking 87 cents. And this is not just a live coin watch type of pump, you know? This is a... So, okay, I'm a little bit bamboozled, yo. If you're watching right now, comment down below what city you're watching from. Comment it down below right now as we speak. I'm going to quickly shout out that we're streaming over on Discord real quick, because this is going nuts. I can almost not even talk. Not because of the, I guess not because of how much money. You know, it's mostly just because of the enthusiasm of what is happening right now. An 80-cent freaking pump, guys. This is astronomical. 40% in one day. And it really falls along with the prediction, though, doesn't it? We said most likely tomorrow is going to be a huge day. Oh my days, it is. Let me quickly say it on Discord. Everyone, live right now. And a thingy. There we go. We'll quickly post it up in Discord so people might be able to... Ooh, the picture is not right for some reason. If when I'm sharing it in Discord, the picture is not correct. The thumbnail, it's actually... Not exactly sure about that, but whatever. Damn it, damn. You guys watching it with me, right? Damn, boys. What's going on? Happy. Hey, Dusty, watch you from Dubai. Welcome. Hey, I'm coming there soon, man. Let me quickly see what you guys are saying. South Africa, Philippines, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Oh, boy. So, I really find it interesting. I was just recording a different video just now, and all of a sudden, boom, I saw the price just skyrocket after skyrocket. A couple of people were telling me over on Twitter, go check the price. I went to check, boom. The price was like right around, let me quickly see when this was. Right now it's about 7:14. I guess it was like around 6:14 or so when XP started to really get around 75 cents. I was watching for a good entry. Guys, I told you on Twitter, right? I've been watching since 12 p.m., I think, maybe a little bit earlier, maybe like 11 p.m., something like that. When did I tweet it out, guys? I've been watching XRP constantly. I have not taken my eye off for at maximum 15 minutes because this was just crazy. Once we hit, let me quickly see when it was. I guess it was last night, huh? Once we hit our predicted area here at about 64 cents, I know it was over. So I guess it was around 11 p.m. that I tweeted out, like, okay, or 11 a.m. that I tweeted out, this is going to be going insane. We touched it now, we're going zoom. Correction, of course, can come at any time, as you guys know it. But for me, it was already decided, 100% certain, that 74 cents was coming. It was 100% certain. It happened a little bit quicker than I expected, but boom, oh, boom, oh, bomb. I'm just so excited, guys. This is crazy. We're finally past all these bigger points, which we've talked about for a very good while now. Let's quickly look at the daily. We can even check it out. Let's quickly take a good look. Let's go auto. Look at that. Look at that. We've just zoomed past every freaking thing. Sorry, guys. I'm just so excited. Oh, it's not even about the gains, because some coins can make you bigger gains in a shorter amount of time. It's just about the way it's going right now. So many naysayers, so many... Oh, damn. There we go, guys. Let me quickly see what you guys are all saying in the chat box. We got almost 500 people watching. That is insane. If you're watching right now, make sure you press the like button. Helps out a ton for the YouTube algorithm, okay? Nothing else. It's not like I can get off of the likes. It's just, I think it helps with the YouTube algorithm. Might make the video perform a little bit better. So, yeah. By the way, I still have... How many codes do I have to go, guys? I have a couple codes to go for Prime XBT. If you made an account under me, let me know right now, and you're winning $100. So, the first person who can write it out, I made an account under you, I'll give $100 right now. Let's quickly see. Who has the best internet connection to see this? And who made an account under me on Prime XBT? If you have not already won, though. If you already won one, then you won't get it. Let's quickly see. Dusty, my guy. You got it, man. Deserves the 1,500 likes today, Dusty. Let's quickly see. I get out. You guys are crazy. Okay, Golden Buddy says, I made an account under you. All right, man, Golden Buddy, I'm going to send you a message. Let me quickly copy your name so I don't forget you. All right, I'll make it stuck. You were the first one on my screen, at least. Golden Buddy. So, hey, I see a Barry Strong. Thanks for the $1.40, bro. Thank you for the nice trees, the blue trees. Yeah, that's blue trees, huh? You guys all up in those with those trees right now, sitting comfortably. So, a lot of people must be. Oh, go dark mode. Should we though? Should we? I used to do dark mode always, and there's always people in the comment section saying, if you go dark mode one more time, I'm quitting, because it's really hard to see if you're on your phone, the small screen. So I was discussing with a couple of friends, when can we buy in? So let me quickly tell you guys my strategy. And are we going to see a correction here shortly? I'm assuming so. Why? Well, what is there to really resist? This is all from really a long time ago, a really, really long time ago. You're seeing what I'm seeing right now? Like the points we're hitting as of this point, let's take a look back. We're talking about freaking May 2018, the price points which we're talking about. So there's a very good probability of a good correction right now. But boy, oh boy, am I excited, boys. California says, please answer. Please, in the future, is it possible to have $1,000? If you're asking me if it's possible for you to have $1,000, of course. What are we talking about here? If you mean if it's possible for XRP to hit 1,000, I cannot comment on that. I don't know. Do I believe it will happen? I mean, it's possible. I'm not waiting for it, though. Let's just put it like that. I'm not waiting for it, but it's theoretically speaking possible. Sundeep, thank you for the banana, man. What? I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but thank you a lot. Does D, hey, I like that name, man. Love waking up to price action 589. Yeah, man. I woke up and instantly the price was up. I tweet all this type of stuff, guys. You need to remind me of this. Oh, sorry if this stream is a little bit all over the place. I am so sorry, but I'm so excited. Sorry. Already in advance saying a little bit of sorry. I just woke up and things were just looking amazing. Let's quickly should we get rid of the volume? I just want to actually watch this a little bit closer. But let's quickly see. The first, I guess, bigger area that we should be looking at is this area right over here. At least that is what would look logical to me. This area here is interesting. A lot of price action over there. Let's quickly see. In terms of volume, well, not necessarily. This area is a little bit bigger even. Okay, we got one over here. Quite a lot of volume. In this case, not that much volume. Okay, so that's relative. Let's quickly extend this one for a little bit, though. It's not the best best box in the world. It's a pretty big box. We might have to look on the weekly, actually, to kind of take an up-down approach to this one. All right, let's take a little bit of a deeper look at all of this. So once more, my XRP trade has already been fulfilled. 7% profit, like I always tell you guys, what I'm going for has been successfully achieved. I guess XRP just really touched our area and then fell back down. I'm not exactly sure if I find this area relevant enough, though, because it would most likely be just two separate areas here. We hit these tops, but is that really relevant enough? I guess it's the top of the body that we were hitting. Yeah, no, I'm not certain if I would really classify this as a proper move. On a daily basis, yes. On a weekly, this definitely is not the most accurate or wouldn't really suffice to that much, to be completely honest. The Fleek says, excited too, you're awesome. Dusty, watch your show a lot. Do you guys call it a show? I don't know what I just call it. I don't know what I call it, man. But yeah, you guys making profits today? Let me know. Man, I woke up, I was so extremely excited. I didn't believe it, honestly. So a little fun story is you guys tweet me a ton with things. You always tweet me saying, man, XRP is up, XRP is up. So I go rush to my phone. Just, oh wait, no, never mind. I'm already on my phone. I guess I go rush to the live coin watch and whatnot. And then I'm going to say 9 out of 10 times people are messing me up. It's just a joke. I checked, the price is up 1% or so. This is finally one of the times in which the price is up a ton of percent. And what we're doing right now is we're waiting. All right, right now you can't always expect bullish things to happen. We already expected this bullish move to happen. Boom, it occurred. Now we have to wait for what's going to happen because usually a pretty nice pullback comes from this. But I'm not certain enough to go short on it. But I am certain enough to really say that all those naysayers and whatnot, they've been proven wrong. And Mr. Azam, or is your first, I guess it's M. Azam. I don't remember what your first name is, man. I remember it from Twitter, but I don't remember. Good job with the Fox. Thank you, bro. Thank you a lot. Let's quickly see what you guys are saying. I thought of Dusty Podcast. I would watch those if that can give me 1 hour videos. Ooh, that might be something I should look at in the future as well. I'm thinking of doing some interviews with some people as well. Like, for example, get David Schwartz on and whatnot. But it's pretty difficult. At least I found it difficult because people don't really reply to me. So I'm not quite sure how these guys do it. But for me, what kind of was the thought of buying in and why I told people I'm buying yesterday and why I'm still buying today? By the way, I'm not going to buy any more. Why? I'll tell you in just a second. So my previous video, I think it was a couple hours ago, I made it in the night, like 5 freaking a.m. because I'm sleeping like a monster. All right, I sleep at really strange hours. You don't want to know. You really don't want to know. But at 5 a.m., I think I uploaded that video, and that was talking about what was going to happen tomorrow. And exactly in that video, I explained, man, this is most likely what can happen. Like this, it was this one right here. What's happening to XRP April 6th? Because boy, oh boy, was this looking bullish. Right? Look how many videos I posted, man. This is not normal for me. I don't do that many. But right now, oh, I'm shaking a little bit, guys. Sorry. It's a freaking 40% rise. Everybody who has ever told me XRP cannot go to $1 anymore, proven wrong. Boom, just like that. And what's more, there's going to be so many people. I see it even now. Lee says it's going to dump. Who cares if it's going to dump for right now? We might not be rich, but this has shown so many people that this project is alive. There is so much going on for this. There is so much going on. Anybody's saying, oh, it's over now, it's done for. Wrong, boom, 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 wrong. I should quickly take this one out because this trade is now old. Got my 7% profit in. As you guys know, it is 7% with a 20 times leverage, so about 140%. 140%. I almost goofed up there for a little second. That we took. Let me quickly see. Oh, I'm so dumb. I was recording as well instead of just streaming. Ooh, okay, I fixed it now. I hear the fans of the computer just spinning like a motherfricker, but it's okay. Hey guys, if you're watching still, make sure you press the like button. Helps me out a ton. I think the maximum amount of people we ever had watching was, how much was it, guys? 18,000 at one time, I think, into the first of February. I think 18,000 people watching live, or 17,000. Right now we have we almost have 1,000 people watching, everybody. That is crazy. So, if we hit 82,000, we'll also do a giveaway. You know what? Let me see if I can find out. Let me quickly see if I can do a small little XRP giveaway right now, just for fun. Giveaway during live stream. How can I do that? How to do a giveaway on Twitch. Guys, what's the best way to do a small little giveaway right now? You know what? I'm gonna just pick a person randomly, all right? Let's pick a person. I'm gonna pick a person randomly for, how much? Let's do 20 XRP just for fun. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up a number. Okay, you know what? Let's go. I'm gonna do a random number generator. Random number generator. Okay. Let's go between 1 and 100. Yeah. Okay. So the first person to guess this number right now will win 20 XRP. First person. Oh, you gotta go try it out right now. First person to guess this number wins 20 XRP. Okay, the chat is going insanely quick. I'm not sure if I can keep up with this. Just comment the number. You all gotta guess. Come on. Try a number. The first person who I see comment this number will win 20 XRP. Oh, okay, somebody's already counted the number. I'm seeing it already. Oh no, guys, it's going too quick. This was really stupid of me. Okay, so I'm seeing one person who has already guessed the number. But let me see if somebody was earlier. Okay, so that was really insanely quick. Somebody has already won the number. Okay, let me type it in. Sorry, this is the most chaotic thing in the world. I know I'm not the best live streamer, but it's okay. As long as it's fun. There we go. Let me type it in. See who was the first to do it. The first one, I believe, was Ellen Caro. Ellen Caro was the first. It was the number 15. So that's cool. The chat went nuts. You guys are crazy. So the first one on my screen is Alan Caro. He said 15, and then afterwards was Chester, JK, XX Dows. Okay, so let me quickly see. So Golden Buddy, I'm just saying it out loud for myself now. He's getting $100 in Prime XBT, and Ellen Caro is getting 20 XRP. I should not forget. So let me just quickly take a screenshot. Then no, I should go to your account. How do I do that for a little second? Sorry if you're wondering. It's a little bit chaotic. It's because there's a lot of people here, a lot of people spamming stuff, and I don't have that many moderators. I cannot. Wait, this Alan, I cannot view his profile, though. I don't know what that is all about. What's happening here? Let me see. Yo, I can literally not press his profile. Why can I not? Sorry. What can I do? Let me quickly see. Ellen. So, Ellen, if you're watching this right now, you better say something, because I cannot press your profile. Maybe the chat just the chat just broke. Yeah. Ellen, if you're watching, you were earning it. But the chat broke a little bit. Okay, Ellen says here. Someone seemed to make a fake one. You know, I can just look back at the video later and I'll send it to you, because I think there's a lot of people watching right now. There's over 1,000, so it's going to be really hard. So I'm not sure it's going to be the real one or the fake one. So I'm going to have to look back. People are making fake accounts. No worry, Ellen. I'll get you later. No worries. All right? Just, I'll remember myself. I'm going to quickly make a screenshot of this right now. And I got you, all right? Don't worry. I got the real one later on. It's going to be fine. Oh, that was a little bit scary. Hey, James, you might have said 15 too, but you weren't the first one. So I'm going to fix it. No worries. All right. So it's been pretty damn crazy, honestly. It's been pretty damn crazy. So 20 XRP is now also, how much would that be? It's almost, oh, I guess it's 80 cents right now. Damn. It's so crazy. It's $16. Okay, that's fine. That's good. Thought for a second, what if it's 100? You know those 250 XRPs, right? We've been talking about that for a little while. In the start, when I was doing that, it wasn't really much money, you know, because it's 1/10. So it's about, let's say it was $30, $40. Right now, it's starting to get towards $200, you know, if I'm giving that away. It's a lot of freaking money. Even once, I think we were talking about 500 XRP. Right now, that's getting really crazy. That's really getting kind of itchy, you know, $400 like that. It's not a problem if you don't do it too often. Somebody says, look at BitTorrent. BTT, let's quickly check it out. You said monthly. I'm going to just quickly check it out because, I mean, you're requesting it like 4 times. Quickly take a little look. Yeah, BitTorrent is just crazy like that, man. Huge green candles. Yep. But XRP, just wait for it, man. I guess the nasty part about it is that XRP's monthly doesn't really look that beautiful. I guess it just looks like it kind of made a I guess the normal, I don't want to say the word out loud, the CV19, you guys know what I'm saying? CV19 bottom, and then it started to recover from that point on forward, basically what we were seeing on these lower time frames too. Somebody asked Dusty, do you think XRP will hit $10 before the bear market? I'm honestly, my own prediction would be, if we get this lawsuit fixed, depending on what Bitcoin is doing, we'll get to about $5. That's my own prediction. What is this based upon? Let me tell you. So if we're looking at this big run, right? What was the good part of all of this? Well, a good part was, of course, the Coinbase hype. A good part was a lot of exchanges listing it. A good part was the Korean exchanges trading it at a premium, which, again, Coin Market Cap decided to fix once this red candle came. There were a couple of other big things happening for XRP, specifically from Ripple's side of things. And I've been talking about that for quite a long while. What could make the price pump as much as here, though? Well, I mean, hype on its own could do it. Like right now, what is doing? This is mostly hype. This is mostly people buying in, like they did here in the start of February, like in this bigger candle. It's most likely the same thing that's happened right there. People are buying in anticipation of something that's about to happen in the near future. And I see you, Martin Falk. Welcome. I'm going to make you a moderator real quick because I trust you. And I'm thinking maybe if you see something really sketchy, you can take it off. Because I trust you, Martin. I trust you, brother. I see you, man. I see a lot of you, by the way, but it's really hard because I don't really often have more than 1,000 people watching. We don't have more than 400 people watching most of the time. Right now, there's 1,150. So it's a little bit hard for me to even, check it out of everything. Okay, so So what we were seeing back then was a lot of hype, a lot of people buying in with an anticipation of gains. But take in mind, and mind you very much, that Bitcoin hit a huge high for the first time around this area. It hadn't happened ever. And, since I've been doing this YouTube thing, I believe the first video I have on crypto YouTube is around April, May. I'm not quite sure, but somewhere around this area of 2017. I saw it unfold, So one of the fun things is that the articles start to pop up mostly in this area here. So once November, a little bit before, let's say October of 2017 rolled in, the amount of crypto news articles start to just go explode. Because a lot of people were talking about this huge anticipation of gains. And I'm seeing that really kind of unfold here as well. Whenever there's a huge event happening, or whenever there's just a huge amount of hype, and in this case here we have, of course, the alt season, quote unquote, happening too, the amount of articles start to really drastically increase. Specifically, the articles talking about the price and some expectation of profit. Usually, whenever the market is going kind of bearish for a little while, what I'm seeing is a ton of articles about utility. So since I cover XRP for years now, what I've noticed too is that whenever there's times like this, there's either people talking about the price going down lower, there's the articles of just pessimism, or there's articles about utility. Very left and right, you'll find some person saying, oh, can we recover now? When is the dip? Are we buying the dip? Or these huge whales are buying the dip? But mostly it is just negativity. And then once you start to see a pump like this, a huge candle, this is by the way monthly, keeping that in mind, is when you start to see people again being positive and boom, boom, boom. Right now, that's being like stacked on top of each other, like boom, on boom, on boom, on boom. Since I know that that is happening, and I know that people usually like to buy in hordes, in my opinion, we're kind of in an area like this, where right now people are kind of gearing up, the amount of articles, the amount of hype is coming back in. Then eventually the price will come back down a little bit again. That's most likely because right now we have anticipation of tomorrow. People are generally excited. After tomorrow, the price usually goes down a little bit again, exactly like we saw at around February 1st. Let me quickly show you guys exactly what happened there. So there were a couple of important dates. I have them all in the back of my mother freaking head. You guys know it. I'm a freaking robot like that. So there was a couple of important dates, right? So around April, around February 15th and the 22nd, two very important dates. However, there's also two extra important dates. One was right here at around January 27th, 28th. That was partially, of course, when the Wall Street bets situation came in, and also partially when Ripple announced their document that they were supposed to give out before February 15th. They gave that document out earlier, but together with that, the big pump and dump XRP group came out. 200,000 people went in, and everybody was supposed to pump the price on February 1st. Of course, what happened was people bought in anticipation, and what we're seeing was a huge green candle up until the day itself, and about 8 o'clock, maybe 7, when people start to sell, because supposedly they should buy at 8:30. And that is exactly what we saw right here. The price dump, go crazy, because, well, logically, sellers just want to take some profit. People just bought in here with anticipation of Ripple making things go crazy with their document. This is, by the way, regarding the lawsuit. And then, of course, people decide to sell. Logically happens all the freaking time. By the way, I'm seeing YouTube does not receive enough video for nice streaming. A little sorry if you... if I'm buffering a little bit or something like that. Once more, I don't have the best setup here. It's okay. It'll do. But, let's continue on with the story. So what we saw was, again, a big pump and dump. Why? Mostly because people are anticipating some big gains to happen February 1st. The pump continued, however, because the bigger event regarding the lawsuit was supposed to happen February 15th. And it actually is somewhere mid the 14th that the price started to go back down because, well, we were getting close to that date. And the actual document we were waiting for on the 15th, which was the kind of reply to the amended complaint by the SEC, I believe was the amended complaint, might be the original complaint. I'm assuming amendment complaint. You guys get it? Was already given out here. So that was really nothing big to worry for anymore, or sorry, I guess to watch out for, except for the 22nd, where we pumped as well. But once more, there wasn't really anything big happening, so the price went down. I usually quote a line from the book, The Intelligent Investor. It is, I think, page 17. It's on the silver lining. It's at the bottom somewhere. And it basically says that if there is a physical event happening, which everybody knows, then usually the price goes up until that point. But once it really happens, once it materializes, there's no more room to grow. There's nowhere to go. Why? Logically speaking, if we all know that something huge is happening in the short term, we're all going to buy in. So once that thing really materializes, there's nobody who's going to buy in anymore because, well, it's already gotten there. It's gotten there. We all bought. Who's going to buy it now? We were all anticipating it to happen. And that's also the thing of like buy the rumor, sell the news. That is what we're seeing right now, hopefully, most likely. Why I'm saying hopefully? Well, because that would mean that the theory is solid. That would mean we can identify these trends more often, make more money. Would that be bullish for XRP? Longer term, yes, still, because this is just one of the points on the road. This is not the end of anything. This is just one small part of the road. And by the way, we were recovering really nicely here. We dipped back down, tested support most likely. We're now going back upwards, doing really nicely. So once more, if I was just watching closer. Sorry guys. We could have taken another nice little trade here once it dipped in. Could have just, okay, so what I would have usually liked to go for is these are higher risk trades, but a lot of my friends and I just like to meme around with this type of stuff, right? Is kind of have your openings basically at the tip of the tip here, kind of a little bit below to wait for it to dip in. These are zones of interest, right? You have your target, for example, at about 7% and your stop loss below. So that's below the zone. In this case, something like this is what it would look like. For example, 1.2 would have been fine in my opinion. You see, in a couple of minutes would have most likely gotten filled. Why would I do this? Well, it's because you're anticipating another retest of the bottom, or basically of the prior zone which you wanted to breach, where we actually opened our previous position, and we're going to attempt it again. Would this always work? No. However, it has a pretty high probability of winning, especially in really bullish scenarios, which we're seeing right now. So in a scenario like this, I could definitely attempt that. However, if I wanted to be more safe, a 1% profit on this one would work, let's say 65% of the time. Once more, it depends on the general narrative of the situation. For right now, though, things are looking extremely bullish, which is why this could have definitely worked. However, we can do it again if we actually get closer. Am I saying buy? Am I saying sell? Once more, I am saying, guys, we can definitely buy this one. However, if you're attempting to buy at 84, 83 cents, it's a little bit of a scary thing, guys. Honestly, it's a little bit of a scary thing because we've been talking about buying XRP for so long. I told everybody XRP below 50 cents is a freaking juicy price. So talking now about buying it at 84, it's your whatever. It's your own freaking discretion, right? I personally have most of my bags filled below 20 cents, below 15 cents even. So what can I say, guys? Buying right now is a little bit of a risk, but it's definitely not too crazy. It's definitely not too crazy, but it's a little bit of a risk. We're staying above the 20 MA. I'm quickly sticking to what you guys have been saying. Team Empty says, can you explain what this lawsuit is about tomorrow? Is it important to the pump of XRP? Or do you guys, okay, so I made a video, as I said before, about exactly what's going to happen tomorrow. So if you have no clue what's happening, check this video out. It's going to be worth it. However, to give you a very small summary of what is happening, I can tell you most likely. Tomorrow is the telephonic hearing for the Ripple v SEC case. And what we are hoping to hear that day, what we're hoping to achieve is a really positive result. That's what we're hoping for in regards to the status of Bitcoin and Ethereum, partially XRP2, in kind of the previous discussions with the SEC. So kind of to say that in a different way, the SEC has had discussions about about XRP, about Bitcoin, about Ethereum, because Bitcoin and Ethereum are both classified as non-securities. So logically speaking, if you think about it with your head, we should have the data. We should know why Bitcoin and Ethereum were not, by the way, I would now kind of look into taking out the trade again. I would be a little bit scared because it's looking to go retest it once more. I'll quickly take this one back to where it was. One trade gone. Second one, I guess we could have closed it pretty easily with maybe 3.5, which is my usual trade. 7% would have just not worked out. A little bit below it. I would already get scared because once more, this is really high frequency, quick snap like that. Most likely just take my profit right now and wait for the future because I wouldn't like to sit on this trade for too long. We might retest another zone. But to keep the story straight, to not deviate too much, because I'm all over the place, guys. I'm so excited. I'm gonna stutter if you let me go too much. So keep asking the questions so I can just talk about those ones instead of looking at this, because I'm gonna go bananas. I'm gonna go freaking bananas. We're hoping to get the results because if you think about it logically, we would want to know if we could buy or sell something. We would want to know if something that we're looking at, for example, in XRP, is a security, yes or no, from what the SEC has decided and what the SEC has thought. It's really illogical, if that's an English word, for the SEC to keep their documents surrounding their thoughts on Bitcoin and Ethereum secret, because those should guide us in how we should think about these potential securities. And if it doesn't turn out to be a security like Bitcoin and Ether, they should give it to us so we can know how to classify something for ourselves. If you read those documents, if you know what they say, we should also be able to know when something classifies as that, so we can warn ourselves. However, the SEC has decided to not share any of that information. They decided to keep almost everything behind closed doors. Also, what they've thought about XRP, the discussions with XRP or about XRP. For example, the discussion between the SEC and some exchanges and the SEC and some investors. Those documents have all been sealed. Why? Because the SEC doesn't want to make them public. They say it is not relevant. And tomorrow, the first telephonic case surrounding this, or telephonic hearing, is going to uncover a little bit of this. At least it's going to be brought up, the point of, okay, so why is it being hidden? Can it not become public? And does the judge think that these facts could be relevant? I personally would say yes, but once more, I'm not a freaking judge, so what can I say? I see digitally bullish. He says he sends $3, says low cap gems, UBX, TEL, and XIO, grab them now. This is not financial advice. He says some altcoins to grab. You know, I have sometimes listened to these random guys on the internet, and sometimes it works out, not going to lie. What's your favorite coin, by the way? I would say mine for right now, today, 100% XRP. But, you know, I'm always up for, some shitty altcoins for some low cap gems. But let me know in the box right now. What's your favorite altcoin? Okay, I'm seeing a lot of coins being written already. Swift is not you're talking about something else. I see also some discussions going on. Okay, we're going again. We're going up. It's also kind of a live watch here. Live coin watch. Let's quickly see what the price is looking at on these aggregators. So we got live coin watch open, and we do not have a coin market cap open. I'm going to open it up on the side here. Coin market cap. There we go. Okay, let me quickly put it in. There we go. So XRP on this one is at about 84.7 cents, up 40% on the day, 52% on the week. Actually, the best performer out of the whole top 15. That is crazy. And on the daily, let's quickly check it out. Can we sort by day? We can. Okay, stacks. I made a video on that one. It's coming up. XRP is actually the third in the ranking right now, up 40%. Guys, if you're watching right now, make sure you subscribe. If we get to 82,000 subs, I'll also do a small little giveaway once more. So make sure you press the like button. Make sure you subscribe. If we get to 82,000 this stream, I might do a small little giveaway as well. Just for fun. All right, let's quickly see what you guys are all saying. Okay, there's a ton of coins. There's so many people talking about SafeMoon. What's so exciting about that? Glenn Gerard says, yo, Dusty, big fan, long-time follower, XP to the moon. Welcome, bro. Welcome. Thank you for coming back in. Digitally bullish. Dusty, you're the man. You're the man, bro. Thank you for the couple bucks, man. You didn't have to do that. Thank you a lot. In the live stream, we already gave away 110 bucks now. 116. So I guess, the donations don't really do too much in that sense. But it's nice still. I know it's about the gesture. It's about the idea. So thank you a lot, guys. You don't have to do that. Sergio says, guys, just hold, please. XRP is a great project. Once the SEC BS is over and all the brokers begin to relist it, we're going to moon, just hold. So I would say a part of the earlier pump of yesterday was mostly due to relist XRP and the whole Coinbase debacle, right? At first, I was kind of denying it because it's just illogical. But then again, I have to keep reminding myself, people, especially XP holders, are not rational. So they just buy. A lot of people just buy once they see some type of hype. They don't buy because of the fundamentals or because of logical price increases, like, for example, what we're seeing right now. This is a really logical increase in price because we have a huge event happening tomorrow that could really turn everything around. The whole Coinbase thing, there was no confirmation. There was just one tweet, somebody who found out something, and people just going berserk. However, once it hit that point yesterday, I was 100% sitting. I knew 100% for certain that things were going to be, I'm not going to say 100%, 99% certain that we were going to boost and going to boom. Perfect retest, perfect bounce, perfect. Things were looking juicy. Been hearing about I've been hearing about that too. Dusty, do you think the bear market is going to be around September? I cannot quote on that. I cannot comment on that. I don't know when the bear market is going to be. I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to estimate on that as I just do not know. So all I can tell you is just a real random guess, but that's no better than just picking a month yourself. There's no real information in what I can put there. All we could do is kind of compare with how long bear markets usually last. However, it kind of feels as if altcoin season is just now starting. There were a lot of confirmations on that one. So from that perspective, I would say, let's just get excited right now for alt season and then worry about it. But from a different perspective, you should always be careful because things never happen the same way twice. So they might happen in a similar way. They will never happen the same way twice. So always expect something to change a little bit. All right, so we have 190 more subscribers to go. Then we'll do another giveaway. Just quickly saying. Also, by the way, some people were wondering. There's a Patreon I made. I might actually make it a little bit cheaper because I'm thinking maybe why not? I just picked a price where my portfolio is on, and there's a couple videos on how to do staking, for example, and there's a couple other things like a couple spreadsheets. But there's a Patreon for that if you were wondering about my portfolio. Fake token. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of different tokens out there. Of course, I asked for it. But, yeah, there's a ton. Oh, my days, guys. There's a ton of freaking coins. Oh. What about Engine? I love Engine. I love that crypto. I really like the crypto, mostly because I think NFTs will pop popping off. I'm hoping to actually be able to launch some DustDBC NFTs, but I want to do it with XRP. I don't like that Ethereum garbage. I don't necessarily have anything against Ethereum. I do hold it. However, the fees specifically for those NFTs are just so ridiculously dumb. I don't want to support that. So I'm waiting for some XRP related NFTs to become popular, and I might hop on in, get some DustDBC NFTs going on. Maybe so we can give a couple away. Maybe so, we can hold it as maybe the channel will get bigger over time and it could be worth something for you. I don't know. I don't know. We're on the 1 minute chart for XRP right now. This website is TradingView, for some people wondering. Lussa says, Dusty, I'm grateful for all the videos you made on XRP. You've convinced me. Didn't have too much to put in, but I'm glad for a little profit. Please understand, guys, my videos here are not meant to make you buy or sell these coins. If you buy or sell, it shouldn't be because of me. It should be because of your own research. Because, once more, it's not going to influence my bag. And even though I am convinced that this will do good, it doesn't mean it actually will. So please keep that in the back of your head. I'm not a freaking guru like that, okay? Please. That's not what I'm trying to be here. Let's quickly check. So XRP here is 84 cents. Here is about 83. Okay, that's interesting. 82.6, 82.3. It's higher on CoinMarketCap than live CoinWatch. That is not something that usually happens. Okay, so let's quickly check out what the individual marks are looking like. XRP in Korea, right as we speak, is very low in volume. Huh. Okay, that's interesting. Korean won is usually really high upwards. I get, no, okay, but guys, it has happened again. I think it has happened again. Tell me if I'm wrong. I think CoinMarketCap took off the Korean exchanges again. Okay, let's quickly check it out here. Is there Korean exchanges in this list? Okay, let's quickly check through here properly. Let me type in Korean, is it KRW? Korean won? I don't think it's in the list anymore, is it? They took it off again. Okay, let's type in here. Let's see if we can find Korean won. No freaking way. Did they really do that? Guys, comment it down now. You know why this is really, no. Let me see. Am I dumb, guys? No, wait, let's quickly check live CoinWatch. Okay, let's see the markets here. Did they take it off? Are they taking it off? This is not updating. Have they taken it off? There was usually back in the, okay, if you're wondering why they do that, I'll explain it in just a second. Let's quickly investigate here if they took it off. Is KRW, is that Korean won? Please comment it down below so I can quickly check, or I'm going to have to Google it. Okay, Mr. African Guru says yes. They have taken it off. No way. Okay, let's go to BitThumb. What are the freaking two most popular? Just tweeted it out. Let me quickly see here. The two most popular Korean exchanges are BitThumb and Coin1. Let me go to BitThumb real quick. BitThumb X. I'll just go to bitthumb.com. n.bitthumb.com. Let me quickly check what the XRP price is doing over there. So okay, I see why. XRP right there is trading at about 95 cents right now. 95 cents on the XRP to Korean won pair. Guys, this is huge what is happening right here. You're not understanding this. Trust me when I say this is something you should watch. Stay watching right now. So I remember back in, sorry if I'm screaming. I remember back in 2017. So check back on the CoinMarketCap Twitter. They tweeted out February 5th, January 5th, if I'm not mistaken, we are taking off Korean exchanges because of price fluctuation. They didn't say the price fluctuation part, but they did so. What happened? The price instantly dumped for XRP. That was the day after the XRP price hit its all-time high, back in 2017. Trust me when I say that they did that. I was there. Trust me. So let's look up that. Let's look up if CoinMarketCap has now decided to take off Korean exchanges again. They used to have a feature where you could still look up with Korean exchanges the price if you wanted to, but I don't know. I couldn't find it this morning. I'm gonna look up on Twitter right now. This is a really big deal. This is a really big deal if it is. Let's take a better look. I'm gonna type it in on Twitter. Let me quickly see CoinMarketCap. Okay, CoinMarket Korean XRP. Okay, I'm gonna have to look 2018 up again. When it said we are taking off. Okay, I have it here. I have it for you guys. I have the freaking juice. So here we go. CoinMarketCap removes South Korean exchanges. Ripple market cap drops 20 billion. Why? Because it's always trading at a premium over there because those motherfrickers want XRP. So if you exclude that, then the price obviously is going to drop, which I think was the price dropping further as more was happening that way. Because once more, think about it. XRP right now is trading at 95 cents over there. It's trading at a huge premium. Major South Korean exchanges were excluded from CoinMarketCap's price calculations. Ripple's price drops almost 30% one day. 100,000 views. So, aren't you see? I'm not stupid, am I? Right? They removed it again. It was here a couple of hours ago. I tweeted it out. So, they have either removed it or I'm freaking stupid. And I think it's I hope, I hope it's the first one. But I believe they got us, boys. The price should be a lot higher. It's 95 cents. But they're not. This is the tweet here. January 8th. This morning, we excluded some Korean exchanges in price calculations due to the extreme divergences in prices from the rest of the world and limited arbitrage opportunity. We're working on better tools to provide users with the averages that are most relevant to them. And here, Anders also said, use live CoinWatch, spread the word. Well, they've taken it off too. I think. I think they're taking it off too. Korean won. Okay, no, so they got it still, but it has no freaking volume. They got BitThumb here with. What is this? Feeless. Oh, it's okay. There's no liquidity in here. That's odd. $500 million, but no liquidity, no orders. This is so strange. Huh. So they've taken it out of their price calculations, I think, huh? Because logically speaking, this one should pop up, but it's not anywhere at all. Let's type in this, like that. Let's quickly see. So it should be how much did it have just now? Let's type it again. Korean won. It has okay, guys, 530 million. Once more, if I'm dumb, let me know in the comments. But I check it here. Boom. I search on volume. Search on volume. Search on. Why does it not work? It should be here. It's not there. They've taken it off. They've taken off Korean exchanges once more. This is exactly what happened in 2018. They did it again. They messed this up. Price should be higher. KuCoin on your phone. Let me quickly see CoinGecko, what the price is at right there. I think CoinGecko is also one of those aggregators, right? Who has a price list. Let me quickly look it up for you guys. Here we go. So this is CoinGecko. XRP price here is about 82 cents. They're taking it off there too. Let's quickly see. Is there any markets? There we go. Okay. They do not have Korean won at the top, at least. Korean won is usually within the top 5. So if it isn't in the top 10, they don't have it. That is so odd. I'm a little bit confused with what's happening here, guys. I don't know why or what. I guess let me see. So this is the situation from a little bit ago. Okay. Let's see what's happening right now. They tweeted it out saying, we have removed Okay. Over the weekend, Bitcoin and Ethereum cooled slightly while Binance Coin, XRP, and BitTorrent surged. They have not said. Let me go tweet. Let's see what's going on. So XRP trading at 0.95 on Korean exchanges, but I have it in caps lock. I'm not gonna lead it anymore. But coin market cap and at live took it off. Something like that. Would that work? I went from caps to no caps, but I think this would work. Let's see what people will say. I'm a little bit dumb with the tweet, but it's okay. It'll do the job. You're saying try live coin watch. We already tried, man. I'm looking here through the list. It is there, but they've just given it no relevance. They've not put it in the weighted average. Weighted average. It has $500 million volume at 95 cents right as we speak, but it's not in the list if you check it out here. It should be right here. It is huge, but it's not doing it. It's not in there. Let me see what you guys are saying. Okay, so is this market manipulation? What we consider it that way? I would say partially yes, because if you think about it, it should include that price. However, logically, if one price really deviates from the rest, it could give a skewed message and allow for too much arbitrage opportunity whilst it's not there. And that arbitrage opportunity is then, I don't know the English word for it. It's called schijn in Dutch. Kind of a mirage where it's not possible, but it looks to be possible. So you're seeing a huge price on one exchange, for example, 95 cents. On another one, you're seeing 82 cents. So you want to, of course, buy it on the one and sell it on the other. That's an arbitrage, right? That you're going to go for, attempt to try. But since it's not possible, since the Korean exchanges are hard to get into, for example, or hard to arbitrage with for some reason, I've never made an account there, so frick if I know. Maybe you need your Korean number to make an account there or something like that. Even if you were to beat me dead, I would have no clue what it takes to get on a platform like this. But I guess from a different perspective, it's all trading at a premium. So they have to take it. Let's quickly see if they're taking it off from every pair, because Korea right now is going nuts. Let's check it out. Bitcoin here. Let's see if it's still in there. If that's the case, then it's really skewed. Korean won. Hopefully they're taking it off everywhere. That's what I'm hoping. There's no Korean won on the Bitcoin. Not even one pair inside the list. Let's quickly check it out here. Because once more, it's not the craziest thing in the world. It's just a little bit sad that the freaking prices are going this crazy that Korea cannot be included in any of our prices anymore. That's really, it's from a different perspective, it's really strange how that works. But if it's in Bitcoin and stuff like that, then we're going to scream. But let's hope it's not. Okay. Oh, I can rest assured a little bit again. Korea is just going nuts with the prices right now. Korea is going nuts. Okay, Daniel says Koreans aren't able to transfer off their exchange, so that's why they are higher. You go on there, you'll never get it off. Ooh, is it a platform? Is it like a little bit like, what is it called now? The Robinhood and stuff, where you buy the Bitcoin, but you cannot withdraw, where you don't really have the Bitcoin, or what? Huh. It's interesting. Yeah, MT, it's not schijnheilig that I was looking for. Not hypocritical, no. It's not the word I was looking for, buddy, but thank you for helping me out. Hey, where you guys are watching from right now? Let me know in the box. In the chat box, where you guys watching from right as we speak. Let me know. But this is going crazy, man. Is it going to break $1 on this exchange in just a second? The freaking... My MacBook is heating up. Maybe there's too much stuff open here at the top anyway. Because XRP going nuts, huh? But yeah, fun stories. That's exactly what happened a couple years ago as well. The Korean exchanges were taken off and boom, prices dropped like crazy. It's because they don't tell you that they're taking them off, I think. And all of a sudden the price drops like crazy. Here was Bitcoin, by the way. Bitcoin really just made a nice little dip retest. Boom, back up. Not too interesting, not too special. We're still waiting for a determined move for Bitcoin, which it hasn't made. So for right now, Bitcoin going sideways. Altcoins can splurge, which we're seeing right now. Huge red candle. It's not bad, though. Good correction. Solid. I like that. Anything special on this one? We can actually put in 2. No. Nothing of relevance. There's actually one in the middle here, which a lot of people like to use, but I think it would be in the middle of it perfectly. So that would also not suffice, I guess. Maybe an entry point could be the 1.618 with 0.618 at about 75.6 cents. That one could be rather interesting. Potentially. We might have to watch that closely. I guess we could kind of draw the last of the last move. See what was happening over there. See if we have any points of interest, which we're hitting right now. And we're getting close to 0.5. Hey, we're actually... Hey, wait a minute. Wait a second. Did I just delete something? There we go. We're actually making a newer one already. Hey, 22 seconds. The hourly just closed. I wasn't even paying attention. Huge red candle. Right now, let's build. All right, we corrected how much percent? Let's quickly check. About 10% or so. Not really solid, but okay. Let's see us build a huge green one from right now forward. Let's hope. This usually is not a real good sign. However, our zone wasn't too clear. I need to really pay a little bit more attention to draw it in properly. Somebody's saying Binance is down. Is it down, guys? Is it down? Is Binance down? And for this reason, I despise Binance. They always go freaking down. Let me see. Binance.com. Can you trade XRP? Okay, trade futures right now on Binance? Most of the time you can't in times like this. How high can we go? No? Okay, you guys are saying it's not down. Somebody's lying. Maybe it's down for some people. Can't withdraw BNB. I'm also seeing the Binance, but go to your futures section in Binance. Let me see if it's working. No, it's still working for me, man. bitrue is down, somebody's saying. Really? bitrue is the platform I use the most right now, but the support is so bad. But I like the platform. I like the loaning and stuff. I just really like it. I don't know. Even though the platform itself is pretty shitty. But it looks to be... You know, bitrue is actually one of the worst places out of all of them. Let's quickly see what the price is going at over here. Usually bitrue trades really high as well, huh? XP is at about 82 cents. No, not really crazy. And I should have then seen it in this list aggregator. Bitrue's back. MySpace is down. Yeah, that's true. MySpace. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Hey guys, if you're still watching, make sure you press the like button. If we have 150 more subscribers, there's 1,800 people watching right now. We're doing another giveaway live. So make sure you press the freaking subscribe button. You don't have to, by the way, but it could be cool if you I don't know, want to be involved or something like that. XRP went to $1.25 on WazirX. I'm not using WazirX myself. Let me type it in. WazirX crypto exchange. I have never used that one before. It's the Indian one, right? Let's quickly just check it out, I guess. Why not? What do we have to lose, right? Let's quickly check it out. It's been going crazy anyway. It's been going freaking crazy. Exchange. Did you expect... Okay, so when you woke up this morning, did you expect XRP to pump this hard? Honestly, I didn't expect it to. And guys, I don't know if you really thought so, but I can't read what the frick rupees would be. What am I supposed to do here? It's freaking 62 rupees. I don't know. How much is this in dollars? I have no clue. I have no idea. It went to about 99 rupees or something like that per XRP. So somebody put down below how much dollars that would be. I have no clue. I'm so sorry, man. Sorry if I'm letting you down, all my Indian fans. I'm so sorry, brothers. How much is this in dollars? Did anyone check Fair Eclipse? Well, Amazon says, well, supposedly India is banning crypto. Yeah, I mean, that's been going back and forward. XRP actually is a pretty big part in India, especially Ripple. I think they have a pretty big office over there in India, right? So you're guys saying it's between 0.85 and 0.87. But then some others saying $1.35, $1.20, $1.20, $1.35. How can you guys all come up with different freaking valuations? Is it 135 or 120? Okay, 135. Everybody's saying 135. Okay. Check out the USD pair. Okay, sorry guys. I had a brain fart moment. I was... Why am I so dumb? See, I'm just too excited. Oh, sorry. I brain farted there for a little second. I was dumb. Shit. Okay, so it went to about $1.30. Yeah, my bad. I'm there's once more, guys. There's 1,800 people watching. I'm shitting my pants right now, so don't think this is all easy. This is freaking hard. If I make one slip up, there's 1,000 people watching me. Just gonna burn my ass. All right, so I have to be careful here. I have to act really professional and smart. Otherwise, I'm gonna get roasted. Yeah, so it went to about $1.30 on here on the normal USD pair. Went to wait a little second. This is a 15-minute chart. This is interesting. It didn't really hit anything on a 15-minute chart like that. Is it a glitch? What is this? What is this? What is this? There's just not enough liquidity, I think. Because look at this. Look at this. This. Okay, you guys are messing me up. This has no liquidity. Look at the volume here. This has no liquidity at all. So, of course, stuff like this can happen. Where's the $1.30 at? It's just one little small cell. It's just somebody maybe buying the whole freaking order book, because this makes no sense. Look at these big freaking ups and downs. You guys are baiting me a little bit. Oh. So I think it's just one big guy with a fat finger putting it in. Uh-oh. I need to maybe ban that guy, the def simpled. Huh. But yeah, so Coinbase, it's down right now. What is down, guys? Yeah, sorry, Edward. You said, Bruce said I have to act smart. Yeah, of course, Edward. Of course, I gotta act smart. Yeah, man. What are you guys all doing right now? Did anyone check Fair Eclipse? Huge growth. Why do you keep spamming that, man? Oh, my days. Is this going nuts, huh? Okay. Make another new green candle. Beautiful start of the day, though. Beautiful start. I couldn't have asked for a better freaking morning. Not even gonna lie. I woke up good. I woke up freaking good. Just wake up. You know what the nicest thing is? If you wake up and you see XRP and a huge amount of profit, just after a huge night of replying to negative comments. People saying XRP will never hit $1 again. Oh, yeah? Comment more. $1 will never happen, huh? Okay. Sure. Yeah. I'm just waiting here. Okay. Hardik says, was your X is down? That's why it's not showing up in the volume. Okay. Was your X is down? Okay. I'm seeing you, man. You don't have to spam it like crazy. I see you. Okay. That's interesting. I guess a lot of exchanges are down right now. Let's quickly check back in the Korean one. I want to see it cross $1. I think it's going to happen really closely. It's 97 cents. XRP. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. We already... I guess let's wait. It's going to ultimately here hit $1. I guess it already has hit $1 then, hasn't it? A couple of hours ago. Let's quickly check our time here. Is about... +2. Let's go for you know what? I think I'm retarded a little bit. I want to, there's so many UTC +2s. They're all exactly the same thing, but I want to find my city. Why am I so dumb? Let's go for freaking Zurich. It's fine. Okay, so a little bit earlier today, a couple hours ago, 2 hours ago, it was trading about 1139. That's a little bit over $1 then, huh? So on a lot of platforms, it's actually traded above $1 then. Somebody says XRP went to $1.80 on Rick's Mix, OMG. You know, guys, it really might be time to start fueling the rockets, because I'm quickly warning people right now that we might get a really huge bullish season happening. It all depends on what's going to happen tomorrow. If we get a positive result, I'm not going to say it's going to be 100% certain, but expect big things. Expect big things. Because if we get a huge, or a bullish at least, in my opinion, a bullish would be a positive statement for Ripple coming out. It could be really huge for the next couple of days, because I would say that's a huge flame ignited again for the Ripple and XRP. Hey, Dusty, what's your price prediction on XRP in the next week? Let me just quickly once more put it like I just said. Let's wait for tomorrow. Let's wait for what's going to happen and unfold tomorrow. It could be ridiculously crazy, but it's going to depend. It's going to really depend. It's going to be FOMO. It's going to be people that are just excited to buy in because of the lawsuit. It's going to be people who have more faith right now. Because think about it. XRP's price should have been way higher. Had it not been for the lawsuit, it would have been there. It would have been already so much more upwards. That's why I'm always saying $3, $5 is all pretty damn easy. That's because we know. We know. But right now, we've already crossed past a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff we've crossed past right now. Look at it. We've touched the green zone. Let's quickly see. Once more, that has been months since we hit that for the last time. Wait, Mauricio says Crypto.com relisted XRP. No way. You're lying. Crypto.com XRP. You're lying. You're lying. You can't be right. You can't be right. So delisting was December 29th when they announced that. That was at least when they announced it. So that was right around here. This is when they delisted it. I'm not believing you until I see it. I'm not believing it. Okay, so this was then. Okay, let me quickly see. I'm seeing another donation. Give me just a second to quickly look it up here. If there's actually a blog post with this. There's only one. No, there's no. Okay, let me go to Twitter. Can you guys confirm if Crypto.com relisted XRP? If you guys can quickly check it out for me. I'm typing in Crypto.com on Twitter. I'm quickly checking out if they posted anything on that. They have 500,000 followers, by the way. 2 hours ago, they posted something. No, NFT drop. No. I think you're lying to me, brother. I don't like it, but you are, I think. I see nothing on XRP. You betrayed my trust a little bit. I don't like that. But okay. It's the way it's... Mauricio, you lied to me, man. I don't like that. I don't know why. XRP at about 96 cents on Korean market still. A break says, with the Aussie $3, how much XRP do you think is enough? So that depends on your goals, my brother. On Patreon, which I've once more stated this down below, there's a little bit of a sheet which I usually use to calculate how much is enough. It all depends on your price prediction and how much your goals are. What do you think is enough? Do you think 5 million is enough? 1 million? 500,000? 40 million? What do you think is good for you? You know, what is enough? Define enough? It's really difficult for me to say. If you think 1 million is enough, well, what do you think the price will get to? Once more, what I think it will get to doesn't mean it will actually... What can I do there, guys? I can only give some ideas, but it's not financial advice anyway. Keep that in mind. Edward, thank you for the $2, man. He says, keep up the work. Once more, I didn't have to do that, man, but thank you a lot. Okay, let's quickly see what you guys are all saying. Okay, so Kay says, this is not hitting $20. You really don't believe XRP could ever hit $20 per coin? You really don't? I'm really rational with things, by the way. Don't think I'm always just trying to sell you a dream that I'm not believing in myself. I'm always trying to be as rational as possible. But I personally am saying $20 could definitely happen. I'm very positive on that. I think $20 is still a pretty low estimate. I think $20 is not even that hard for XRP. Just honest with you. Once more, if it couldn't happen, I would tell you. I would tell you just like that. I don't really care about that. I'm always honest. People say, just to be more positive on things. I think I'm pretty positive. I'm just saying, hey, it's not that hard. Okay, Hedrick says, analysts say XP going to hit $20 by May, July. Don't believe that BS, please. And I might have to ban Hard Drake because he keeps spamming shit like crazy, man. Why do you do that? Just take it slow. I can also put slow mode on. That's better. But yeah. Still, guys, this is my second craziest stream ever. So the best one was February 1st. We had 18,000 people watching live. Right now, we have 1,900 people watching live. So this is my second highest ever. Just want to quickly say I'm really appreciative of everybody stopping by. I appreciate it a ton. It's really just, crazy in my opinion. How many people are here just coming on by. You guys are all family, at least to me. You feel like family? Just whenever I have a question, you guys are always there to help out. It's just really nice, man. It's just a really good community. And I love XRP in here. In the XP community, I guess it is. Thank you, Martin. Thank you, Martin, for coming on. You know what I should also fix? I should fix a way where I can make sound come into the live stream from my computer. So I can, for example, get guys like Martin in to come talk a little bit as well. Just do a little bit of a say. Maybe just explain what they think about the situation. But I would have to install a thing that would allow me to show you guys sound. Or show, to show... How do you say it again? To listen to you guys sound. No. To show you guys the sound. No. To show you the sound. I messed it up again. To let you listen to the sound. Let's put it like that. It is difficult. English is not my first language. I'm going to explain it once more for just a little second. There's always people saying, oh, you say this word wrong. I used to always say scarcity. People used to roast me for that too. Okay, a little fun thing I see come back and forward a couple of times is what's the best wallet for XRP? My own personal choice is Ledger. There's a link down below. You don't have to use that. I really don't care. Go buy your own on a different, cheaper website if you want to. I really, once more, do not care. I have a couple of these Ledgers. I have a couple of all of them, even the bigger one from before, the Ledger Blue. However, the Ledger Nano S is just fine. It's completely fine. It's completely good. It's $60, I think, or 60 euros. It's worth it. Why? Well, it keeps your money safe. However, if you have less than, let's say, a couple $100, or you're really, just not that serious about keeping all your money in the safest way possible, I would say a place like Binance, a place like Coinbase, if they were to relist it, it's all just okay. Honestly, it is all okay because, well, worst case, no, I'm not going to say worst case because worst case could always be worse. There's no real worst case I can think of. Worst case, I guess you're going to lose your money. I would say kind of the sadder case is that they're going to run away altogether. However, think about it. There's so many people with tens of millions of dollars on Binance or hundreds of millions of dollars on Coinbase. If I lose my $500, I'm not going to be too sad about it. I'm not going to be too sad about it. So that's my opinion. Where we're like, okay, those guys lost hundreds of millions. I lost 500. I'm gonna take my loss, right? On 5-minute crypto, then my second channel, you guys will know about it. I also have one video where I'm showing you guys a scam I lost money to. It's the craziest scam story in the world. I'm not gonna lie. So little trivia. This video right here, it's performed pretty well. It's about a scam which I witnessed myself. I don't know the name anymore. Control Finance. I had $100, maybe $400 inside of it. However, one of the guys I used to know back then lost $100,000 in something like that. So please, for one thing I should say, please be careful with your money. Please, please, please be careful. But also, it's, there's always somebody who's going to get it worse. And that, for me, isn't a really nice thing. It's just like, okay, but that guy lost way more. So, okay, I feel a little bit better then. I'm at least not the biggest sucker, I guess. And with things like Binance and stuff like that, you're definitely not going to be a big guy. Whatever amount of money you lose, there's always going to be one guy with 10 times as much money as you on there. So, yeah, it depends on how much money you have. If you, for example, have $1 million, $5 million, $10 million, I would definitely say grab yourself a couple of those things or look for a custody service, which will take a fee, but you're safe. Exodus is good. Exodus is about to go public, by the way, so that one is definitely solid. They will not mess up right now. Why is somebody saying I'm from Pakistan the whole time? I'm not from Pakistan. Why are you saying that? Dusty is a Polak from Chicago. I don't know exactly what that means, but no. Huh. You guys, XRP is $1 Canadian. Okay, that's very nice to see, man. Nexo is really, if you're talking about places to keep your money at, Nexo is like very low on my list in a negative way. I'm not going to say don't hold it there, but it's not, not Dusty approved. Let's just put it like that. It's not Dusty approved because I've been having a couple of issues with Nexo. I've told people about it. Mauricio says, check your Twitter. All right, I'm going to check it out. He says, crypto has relisted, crypto.com. Okay, so everybody just confirm, has crypto.com relisted XRP, yes or no? I'm quickly checking the notifications here. Power to the people, don't believe the hype is what XRP... I'm checking my mentions. There's a lot of them. I'm going to show you guys. These are the mentions right now. Which one is Mauricio Martinez? I'm a little bit dumb, so once more, we are maybe not going to find it. Yeah, you tell me. Yeah, I don't know. Look at Twitter, you guys are saying. Where should I... Or should I look at the... Wait, so it has relisted? Or no? Sir Gordon. Okay, I'm going to check at the top. I'll just type in Sir Gordon Gecko, I guess. Sir... Okay, I'm gonna first look up crypto.com again to see if they've tweeted something out. No, they have not. Have they replied to somebody? No, they have not. What did I type in? Sir Gordon, you says. Okay, don't spam it like that. Just give me a second, man. Chill. Come on. I'm looking it up. I'm not that fast. XRP mode. Okay. About to significant chunk. Okay. Zit. It's okay. This, by the way, is a really solid argument. By the way, all this price action had nothing to do with Ripple. This is all just either SEC. You guys saying check out Sir Gordon Gecko, but what's going on? Because of this? This is not. This looks like Robinhood or something like that, but I'm not sure. Hey, where am I looking? You guys are putting me down the rabbit freaking hole, but I have no clue, man. What's going on? Why do I have to check? Okay, do you think Pump Dust... Where am I looking, guys? They don't have to tweet to relist. That's true, but they don't have to tweet to relist. Yeah, I see it, okay. Wink, wink. Comment about freaking crypto, not about wink. Screw those cryptos, man. Crypto.com. I'm going to just type it into my exchange. I'm going to type it in myself. You guys are useless. Just kidding, of course, guys. Before some Karen is going to get angry like, oh, he called me useless. I need to cancel him. But I'm not sure. Was it already on here before? I mean, I guess it's real. Does this mean it's relisted? I don't know. Honestly, why? Well, because they could also just show the price, but you're not being able to trade it. I don't have the crypto.com app on my phone. Okay, so let me just quickly ask the question like this. Can you trade right now on crypto.com? Yes or no? Click the trade button. You guys are, I'm not trying to be, but you're looking real sus right now. I'm not going to lie. Sort Gordon posted it. Where? Am I blind? Okay, let me quickly see once more. I might be blind here. Not significant chunk of the market. Full bull mode. Okay, so I'm seeing a lot of people say yes. I'm going to trust you. I'm going to trust what I'm seeing here in front of myself right now. But once more, guys, you're saying not in the US. Yeah, that's my question here. Like, are we sure that this is it? But you can trade it, but is it in the US? No, I'm not going to know. You guys are breaking my freaking back here. No, okay, screw you. Never mind. Let me not ask questions anymore. This makes no freaking sense. It doesn't let you, is what people say. When I go into Spark tokens, Spark is most likely going live in a couple of weeks from now. We were supposing that it was going to be April or May of 2021, but you never know, right? It might be somewhere at the end of May. We're not going to find out until it's there. Let's just keep it like that. You guys are all lying to me. I can put up slow mode, by the way, but I didn't expect that many people to put up things. Sorry. I might have to come on in with slow mode a little bit later. Okay, he says, yes, sir, I have it on there, but they don't accept money from UK, but a transfer from Coinbase. Yeah, but I guess... should I put on slow mode, by the way? Would that be better? In the chat? Mohammed says, I'm not lying. Uphold. Uphold has never taken it off, so Uphold is a bad reference. You're saying he posted it, but where? Once more, if I'm blind, all right, so be it. But I don't see it. What has he said? XP way back to Clayton. XP to take a dominance for XRP is just taking a huge surge, by the way. That's pretty nice. That's not it. Zent XRP. That's not it. That's not it. That's not it. That's not. You unleash the Phoenix. That's not it. That's not it. That's not. You guys are either baiting me or I'm freaking stupid as can be. I'm not seeing it though. Whatever. Screw you. It might have hit it there, but I'm not going to be able to see it. Let's quickly check the Korean exchange, by the way. Has it already hit $1? Ooh. We're still hovering at about 96 cents per XRP still. Huh. Okay, Martin says, no news about Crypto.com relisting. So why did he donate $10 or 2 times 5 to tell me? If it isn't... It's okay, whatever, it's a sideways action. That's really odd. Scroll down, look at Tron. On Korea? Let's quickly check how Tron is performing indeed. We can just check on the right here, by the way. I'm not sure exactly how far you can see, because I have it a little bit, like a little bit of a strange window. But Tron TRX is up about 8% on 24 hours. XRP about 30. Even on XRP to BTC, it's outperforming like crazy. This is XRP versus Bitcoin. Of course, in alt seasons, it usually performs really nicely. But I believe we had one, yeah. I believe we even were talking about the bottom being here and then a second bottom being made the day afterwards. Not that I really bought, I think I only bought XRP to BTC once, where it's basically just you transfer some Bitcoin and you buy XRP for it. I think I only did it once, maybe twice in the last month or so. But not really too gravely. Because it's also scary, you know. A lot of people are really going... Oh, wait, so... Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Let me try my best. Shreyas Suresh says, yes, it's available in the US on Crypto.com. Okay. Well, then I guess I'm blind. Oh, okay. Well, I tagged you on Facebook. I don't even... do I have Facebook? Dusty bitrue says it's back up. Let me go type. Let me go freaking explore Twitter. All right, you guys are all saying different things. Let's see. Let's type in bitrue. Let's see what they are saying about the situation. This is an SEC plot. You know, once as I said, I have like 2 videos already made for today, but I couldn't let them go out because, well, the price is already up so crazy high. Ooh, okay, bitrue has said, explain now, we are aware of difficulties accessing the bitrue website and app right now. Our technical team are working to restore functionality as soon as possible. We apologize for the inconvenience. Logically, though, bitrue is a kind of an XRP. Okay, I guess let's take off the hard disk as well. Let me plus give him a timeout. I don't know what he's doing. Why is he spamming like that? Huh. Okay, this is odd. Let's type in XRP to see if any exchanges have actually listed. Because what I'm seeing right now, the way I'm seeing it, the only thing that's been going on for XRP that's really heavy is what's happening tomorrow. XRP is doing this while trading is halted. That's also an interesting thing, though. Imagine the price once we start trading again. XRP is up 40% at 86 cents, not even close to what it's worth. Also, very good point. Very good point. I'm going to agree with that. XRP, 80 cents. Yep, we're all seeing it right now as we speak. Best thing about XRP Pump is that Coinbase can't mess it up with their app crashing. That's a very solid point as well. That is that is really solid. Usually, Coinbase ruins the fun somewhere where it's like everybody's trying to buy, and all of a sudden, price goes down because you can't buy anymore on Coinbase, and there's only people selling on other places. Okay, but there's nothing really relevant for our situation though. There's nothing else. Okay, this is a couple hours ago. Okay, no, it's not, I thought maybe this was something interesting, but no. No, really, guys, there's nothing special. Look at XRP. Why is XRP going up? XRP is most likely going up in anticipation of tomorrow. By the way, this tweet, to kind of come back to it, if you're watching the live stream right now, CoinMarketCap and Live CoinWatch took off most here. Oh, huh? Wait, they replied to me. Hey, you see, guys, we matter. We matter now. I think they replied to me, really. Okay, I should follow them back maybe, huh? I'm gonna be nice. Korean exchange is still live on Live CoinWatch. The overall price, 83 cents, shown on the main chart is based on the weighted average of all exchanges combined. However, users can still filter to see Korean exchange activity. Link here if needed. How the frick do you filter this? I'm literally 40 IQ with this. So I always use Live CoinWatch, by the way. I believe I'm even in the partner section because I believe in 2017, we had a discussion. They said, if you talk about us, we'll put you in the partner section. I was like, man, I have no freaking subscribers, but I will talk to you about you every time. Because CoinMarketCap, they took off the Korean exchanges, so I wasn't really too happy with them. Let's quickly check it out. If we can find it. Where can we filter? Filter. Yeah, no, sorry guys. I don't have enough IQ to filter this. Where can we watch? But they're lying to me as well, though. They're lying like crazy. You guys, you're watching this with me, right? We're seeing here. Okay, if we type in Korean won, KRW, we're seeing right here, XRP to Korean won, $540 million. This is 543.69 million. If I'm mistaken, let me know, but I don't think so. So if we go back here and go through the volume, it's not there. It's not there. So either they're lying or it's being excluded, and I don't know where to include it once more. They've said we'll link it. Wait, let me quickly see where that was now. Link if needed. I know but wait, let me quickly see the screenshots then they provided. XRP at 83 cents. Okay, that's nothing special. And here, breakdown. Okay, let's also check out the breakdown then. Okay, this makes no sense. So they're lying like this is sketch. Okay, so one of you, can you quickly take a screenshot then right now? I'm gonna pause it for you. Pause. Click. Click right now. And then maybe click right here too. And then let's type in Korean won. And I'll put my mouse here, click once more. So once more, if I'm mistaken, I'll gladly take that upon me, but I don't think so. I think they're lying to me right in my face. Okay, Austin says slow mode. I'm gonna put it on, man. I got it for you, man. Let me quickly see if I can do that. How many seconds slow mode? I'm gonna do 6 seconds. I'm gonna do 7. All right, slow mode is on, Austin. Thank you for letting me know. It's on now, slow mode. Click exchanges. No, but the problem. Okay, somebody says go look at John Dean. The problem is it does show up here in the breakdown in terms of volume. However, it does not show up in the list here of XRP markets, which does kind of show to me that they're not really including it in the price. Because it's really relevant. If they were to calculate it, for example, by volume and then take a weighted average, it should be relatively high. It should take it up, but it's not there. Huobi is at 84 cents, which is also relatively high. I think that one is kind of, that's the one they're taking, by the way. They're taking a price above the one of Huobi. So that means it must maybe be in there, but it's really odd. I don't really get that. But let's quickly see what John Dean says. You guys are saying, oh, he tweeted. Okay, let me quickly see. John Dean has tweeted out. He has said, let's check. I see who Cointelegraph is working for. Okay. XRP price soared to a new multi-year high near 88 cents after Ripple announced plans to create a sustainable and inclusive cross-border payment. I think that's enough said. Just like that already. This is the dumbest thing I've ever heard. This is literally the dumbest. Why? Okay. So that really, we should maybe write down who the, okay, I shouldn't really instigate that, I guess. But what I would do personally, if I was, somebody, I would most likely go look up who the, I'm going to do that right now on the side here. I'm going to look it up. I'm not going to show it to you guys purely for privacy, maybe. It's not private, but whatever. I'm going to look up who this author is, and I'm never going to read anything from him again. Okay, so I'm seeing his name at the top left. I will never read an article from this guy again because he's just a sensational, I don't know what he is, sensationalist. This is the dumbest thing ever. The price went up 30% because of sustainability things? Really? Ripple's been tweeting out about that for years. They're messing with us, guys. They're thinking CoinMarketCap doesn't take XRP seriously at all. They're joking. They're joking like crazy. They're joking. What is this BS? I can almost piss my pants. This shit is so funny. They really said it's sustainability. Sorry. Really. That's what they were thinking. No way. Okay. Sorry. This is so dumb. Oh. Sorry. Okay, sorry guys. I had a good laugh. I almost ooh, I have to almost pee from that one. This is really funny to me. What were they thinking? What is going through their heads? It's like, you know what? This is what we want to... But all right. Talking over Cardano, Jeremy Hogan is a good guy. Hey, Dusty, talk about what matters now. What mattress? Like mattress? Look at CoinDesk channel. They said it's fanboys making XRP pump. Okay, let's type it in. Let's type CoinDesk. I think you mean their Twitter, right? Let's type in CoinDesk. Let's see. Because it's always fudsters left and right. Let's see. I don't see anything from them. Wait, let's quickly go from the top. 2 hours ago, nothing about XRP. 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 No. Nothing. Oh, here. Live. XRP has completely recouped its losses from SEC lawsuit. FinCEN hires former chain analysis. They don't say anything negative about it. I think that's okay. I'd say that's okay. Hey, Rothboss, back again. Thank you for the $5, man. Rothboss29. You're here all the time when I stream. You're always here, man. Thank you for the support. I always see you in the chat. By the way, I recognize a lot of you in the chat. Don't get me wrong. However, some of you, your name or your profile picture is just something I always recognize. As I said before, I try to read every single comment, even though there's sometimes a couple thousand in a day. And some just stick with you. Some people say something nice, it just sticks with me for, I don't know, a couple months. It really has happened. Use Control F when you search. I mean, I can use it, but it's not really going to change too much. It's just the fun as well, huh? Keon, of course I recognize you, brother. Yeah. All right, so let's see. XRP. Okay, wow. Now, that would have worked out, huh? Oh, you're so smart. Use Control F. You know the thing with Twitter, which is annoying, is that it only loads whatever you have in front of you if you use Control F. And I've done this for a little while, okay? I know my things. So I'd have to scroll through here and keep kind of pressing this, doing this again, and then scroll through a little bit, which could work, but it's usually not worth the time. So I'd like to go just and scroll through. Little side story if you were wondering why I'm doing that. Okay, on bitrue, still 83 cents per XRP right now. CoinGecko, it is about 83.6 as well. Korean won pair is about a 90. Ooh. What would it be in dollars? Where's the freaking dollar number? Oh, here, 97 cents. Okay. We're not there. Getting close, but not there. Still not there just quite yet. All right, real question, real one. Have you guys sold your XRP just quite yet? There must be somebody in the comment section who has sold all their XRP. Let me know. Have you sold your XRP? Let me know. And Maverick says, Dusty, where's the best way to earn interest on your XRP? I personally have a link down below for bitrue, which you can use. Yeah, that's that. Nexo I personally don't like, so I'm not using that one. But you could use it, I think, for XRP even. Then I don't think there's any other there might be. Maybe crypto.com, if you can also get XRP loans there, or XRP, I mean, things you might be able to use it too. I don't really use that one either. But bitrue is the one I use. Once more, there's a link. You don't have to use it. You can look it up for yourself. Because I have a couple referrals right on bitrue. But if they use the Power Piggy, I don't even get a payout for that, which by the way is, let's say a maximum a cent a day. So it's not really going to matter. But you don't get it until the other person goes through KYC, which I don't think people ever do on this exchange. So it makes no sense. So, I mean, you don't have to use the link. It's just if you want to, you can. Okay, so I don't see anybody who says they have sold. Not selling, no. XP now for sale. I sold 70% to join Binance Launchpad token. Okay, one person then. Vince1987 says, I sold 70% to join Binance Launchpad token. You are an interesting individual. Sven says, I sold my XP with a 21% loss. Oh, I'm so sorry for you, man. Oh, I'm so sorry. YouTuber6 says sold like 5%. Okay. So that's the people who sold then. I'm not trying to laugh at you for selling anything, by the way. You can definitely do whatever you want. However, if you're selling cryptos at a loss, I mean, that's something. That's something. Austin, by the way, I think those messages were actually cool. I think you can let those through, though. If it's a nice message, you can just let it through. By the way, slow mode, it doesn't really do anything. It just makes it so that people can only send one message every 7 seconds. But I can put it higher if you want to, but I don't think it really needs to. Oh, man. This is so freaking juicy, guys. Oh, damn. Crypto advice. Always do the opposite of the advice. Yeah. No, I'm never giving you advice, by the way. It's always just me to you as kind of a friend. But I could be I'm an idiot. Keep that in the back of your head. So never listen to my advice, because it's not advice. I don't know how to put that the best way. People saying selling yours. Austin says cursing aloud. Well, it depends. If you think it's overdue or if it's too bad, you take it off. Of course, I trust you, man. But I'm just saying, maybe it's if he says the let's put it like the S word. If he says shit, that's good. I guess I don't think that matters. So I think it's good. Okay, bro, why are you laughing, man? Somebody says why are you laughing? If people are saying the XRP at a loss, that's a laughable offense. It's an offense. Nah, I mean maybe a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. I laugh at that type of stuff. I just think it's interesting. Let's see. This is, by the way, one of my best performing videos in a very long while, huh? This one right here. And there is 1,700 people watching. That is so insane. I don't know. I should quickly just say thank you all for stopping by. It's really crazy, man. The support is going. Oh, it's so amazing. I just wanted to quickly say that. The dominance, by the way, of XP is also picking up like crazy. A lot of people were commenting that already below. I saw a couple of charts actually show that it was about 3% or something like that. I'm not exactly sure. I believe we can see it on CoinMarketCap. I'm not quite sure. I haven't looked at dominance for specific altcoins in a very long time. Ooh, I'm not quite sure. Maybe I have to go at the top towards dominance and then look it up. But let's quickly see here. There's also socials. Does that mean social rankings or just updates? No, it's just updates. Okay. I thought maybe it had social stats, but it does not. Let's quickly type dominance here. Let's see if we can view XRP specifically. Once more, I'm not sure if we can do it this way. I have not done this in a very long while. Just quickly saying that. Hell, Dusty. Hey. All the boys watching. Not selling anything until it hits $20. You guys selling Okay. New question, because I gotta kind of ask a couple of things now that you're all here. I have your attention. At what point would you sell all your XRP? Would it be, let's say, $20? Would you sell every single XRP that you have? Every single. Would you do it? I mean, to me, I probably would not, to be honest. You know why? Because it's not that I don't have enough money, I guess, then to just be chilling, be happy. It's like, it's where are you going to put it into? You can only put it into fiat, but I believe we're all on the same page that fiat is kind of done for. Not altogether, because of course, you buying your bread is most likely going to be fiat related for a very long while. But you guys get the picture, I think, right? Where it's just, I mean, what are you going to cash it out towards? So I'm going to sell some to maybe buy some things, but I wouldn't sell it all. And maybe that's just, maybe that's really dumb of mine, but that's just how I go about things. Conquer's bad for day. Hey, I never actually got baited, I think, yet. By that type of stuff, by the names. I never really watched it until now. I'm going to watch it because there's now 1,700 people watching. So I have, there's more people who are trying to, mess me up. My biggest buy was at max FUD $0.17 and never sold. Off topic. Did you ever play Nintendo 64? So first part, that's really a great buy on your end. Really lucky. Congratulations to you. From a different perspective, it's still pretty high. If your average price is above 17 cents, you're most likely, you're not that early most likely. On a different sense, it's still really low because you have like, your money's gone times 5 almost now in a very short amount of time. So from that perspective, really congrats to you. Second part, have I ever played that? Of course I have, man. Of course. Used to be the stuff. Okay, but most of you guys are saying never. You would never sell your XP at $20. And yeah, I think my fiat story is also really, did you guys agree with that, right? I mean, what are you going to sell it towards? Just fiat? And you're going to have dollars? All these freaking taxes as well? Yeah. Well, how does it, by the way, I don't have to ask that. I mean, I don't really care. Dusty, we appreciate how long this live stream has been up. You're the man, homie. Zach, you're the man for stopping by, man. All of you. You guys, the homies. XP about to flip ADA. Let's see. Yeah, it's getting pretty close. I guess it flipped ADA for a little bit already, a little bit earlier today. I saw it on Twitter. If you guys have any other interesting tweets, just let me know. But this one, I'm going to have to reply to because this is BS. Once more, if you guys don't agree with me, let me know. But I don't think it works this way, the way that they're putting it up. If you scroll through here once more, and you type in Korean won, it shows up with $500 million in volume. If you type through this list here like this, it does not show up. It means to me there's something fishy going on. At the bottom here, it is in this list, so it is there. But not showing up in the volume list, that's strange. I'm going to tweet it out to them. So why does it not show up in volume list? What is the list called? This little bracket? It is called the XP markets list. Why does it not show up in XRP markets list if ranked by volume? Let's put it like that. Because I do believe what they're saying. Why would they lie to me? I really already appreciate the response. So I'm going to quickly give a little good shout out to them in that regard. I guess they really love me for always talking about live CoinWatch instead of CoinMarketCap, which would be their biggest competition, right? But I don't know. I kind of feel like they're bullshitting me. I kind of have that little ache in the back of your neck where you're like, I'm smelling BS a little bit. I don't know. I'm smelling it a little bit. Okay, so Chris Pipes, thank you for the $5, says, I bought my XP on eToro. Is that okay? Rather than Binance? Honestly, I have never used eToro in my life before. So if eToro is a place where you can take your money off, if it's not a place like, for example, what are the ones? I have a blank. Robinhood and stuff, or Webull, where you can buy the crypto but you can never withdraw it, then I would say it's good. If you can withdraw from a place like that, I would say it's completely fine. Why would it be bad? But if you cannot withdraw it, then you have a very big problem. So yeah, I guess that's my that's my really conservative, but I guess view on the matter. Okay, so Martin, wait, let me quickly see it. Scroll fast, by too fast. You said, Dusty, non-XP related question. That is good. What are your thoughts on Pack or Gala Games Node? Are you looking forward to the 6 Flare Finance products? So I guess I should give a not that much of an elaborate, but I guess a broader opinion of mine. I personally don't like Flare too much. Flare itself, because of the distribution. I have said it before, I don't think it's really done fairly. It's really stupid, actually, as to say, and it's mostly to enrich the founders, mostly to enrich the top parts. However, if you're asking me, are the Flare finance products okay, which is again Flare Finance, not the Flare, the Flare network, I guess. Yeah, I mean, what they're building is quite nice. And as an XRP holder, it is quite nice to be able to, I guess, use it for free, get it for free, and utilize some money-making tools completely for free. Yeah, so I guess from that perspective, what can I say? It's definitely a nice part. However, yeah, Flare distribution, the Spark Flare, dumb as can be, and I don't support that. Once more, it's free though, so I'm not going to complain, but I don't think it is really too good. And talking about price of Flare, by the way, there's so many people who ask me. I know you're going to hate me for it, but I still think it's going to be very low. Flare on bitrue is not something you should hold too dearly, because on this exchange, there's mostly XRP supporters. This exchange is revolving around XRP. So a lot of the people here, they like Flare. They want to keep it. But that doesn't mean that once it comes out on Binance and stuff like that, that people are going to still be really excited about it. That's something I should keep telling people, but they don't want to listen, of course. There's always people saying, oh, you should talk only positive about Flare. Flare has a lot of good sides, but a lot of bad sides too. And one of the bad sides, as I said before, is the fact that it's really overvalued right now in people's thoughts. 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, it would all be really amazing already because it's free money. $1 per Flare, I will literally, I might just crap my pants. I might just do that because it's free money. And it depends. If you have, let's say, 10,000 XRP, that is $10,000 that were given to you for free over a longer period of time. But okay, that's still free money. I might just, give my pants a little deuce. Just drop one in there, nice and soft. Because for $10,000, I definitely do that. That sounds a little bit strange, maybe, but it was kind of a figure of speech where I'm like, I'd be really happy with it. Okay, so I would say the price action for XRP is kind of numbed out a little bit, even though it's going still quite amazingly. There's nothing really too crazy going on anymore, is there? Price is falling down a little bit. We're kind of averaging out. Cryptic Life says Uni was free money also. You have a point. However, the question then is, are we talking short term or longer term? XRP number 1 says, hey, Dusty, caught a rare live stream. I'm trying to do it as often as I can. I guess the good part about my content anyway is that I always do it on the fly. So there's no script or anything like that. And that makes it easy to do live streams too. However, I always do different stuff in my live stream than the video. In the video, I always go over articles, news, and I just, do what I'm comfortable with in that sense. In the live stream, I just try to talk back and talk a little bit more about the price. So, yeah, I'm not sure what people like more, though. So, Dusty, sell me your Flare. Don't get me wrong. I will keep my Flare. I'm not going to sell a single part until it's worth a significant amount of money. But I am saying there's a good chance that the money is going to be low at the start, the value. Oh, man, you have a difficult-ass name. Vitautas. Oh, no, it's okay. Vitautas Raugas. Vitautas. If I said it wrong, let me know. Hi, Dusty. What do you think about Toast Wallet for XRP? I probably would never use it. So what can I say about it? Would I use it? No. Do I think it's okay? Yeah. Once more. Would I use it? Would I look into it? Definitely not. I don't care for the Toast Wallet at all. Let me type it in here. Toast Wallet XRP. Why would I ever need it? I don't see any reason. Hey, first thing I look up. Toast Wallet XRP. First link. Unexpected error. We're sorry. An unexpected error has occurred. Oh, that's your answer. I'm really not too much into these things. That's interesting, huh? Already on its own. Now, I probably would never use platforms like that because I don't need it. Toast Wallet has been removed from app stores in protest in the abysmal treatment of community developers by Ripple. Ooh, that's also not too good. But no, I don't have any opinion as I've never used it before. I haven't really heard anybody talking about it. And yeah, stuff like that. I don't know. Just gotta be honest with you. Hey, we have 1589 viewers. That's pretty funny. If you're watching, by the way, and you aren't subscribed to the channel just quite yet, make sure you press that subscribe button, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I think we might be able to hit 82,000 subs today. I definitely think so. I think I get about 30 to 50 subscribers a day. In the live stream, I think we already got like 70 or maybe even more. So that's already crazy. So already, once more, thank you all for stopping by. It's really amazing. When do you plan to do a face reveal? So pretty soon, not pretty soon, but pretty soon I'm moving. And I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about that, a little bit more about the insides of what I'm doing in my life, I guess, just as a fun little side note. But I'm thinking of maybe if I meet up with a lot of people, then I might actually go for it, but I'm not too sure just quite yet. I was earlier, I was thinking maybe at 100,000, but the 100,000, we're getting there pretty fast, you know. Now I'm crawling back. I'm like, ooh, that's too soon. I'm not ready for that just quite yet. So we're gonna have to wait for a little bit. Maybe eventually we'll get there. Thanks just to come to Miami. Well, first place is gonna be Dubai, as you guys know. Maybe I'll tell you more about it as time moves on. Yeah, make sure you press the like button, by the way. We do you have 1,000 likes? Then I guess you can stop, because that's good enough for me. I'm already satisfied then. I mean, satisfied. Well, the likes don't really matter too much. By the way, some people say you're too hungry for likes. Honestly, guys, it doesn't matter. The likes, it really doesn't. I'm not going to get off of those. Nothing's going to happen. It's purely because I think it helps the video perform a little bit better. And that's it. And the giveaways, by the way, it's purely, if I'm like, okay, I had a good day, for example, with the trading, or I had a good day in some other way, I sometimes just want to give something away. I do that. Then I don't have any requirement. Sometimes I'm like, well, if we have an exceptional day with people's support, for example, the likes, which I think we've had 54 times, something like that, where we have done a giveaway, a bigger one that is 100 XP plus. Yeah, you know, I'm like, well, screw it, okay? Then you deserve it, sort of. And that's why there's a like requirement. It's not like I just want to give away 250 like every day or something like that. It's like, if the video performs well, I can give something back just for the support that you guys give. That's basically the reasoning behind it. Martin says, are you coming to join me in Spain? 27 degrees here in Sevilla. Damn, I didn't even know you were in Spain. I think you told me actually that you were in Spain. I don't know. I don't know if I knew you were in Spain. Mingli, you're that ugly? I'm the most beautiful motherfucker you'll ever see in your life, man. Don't try me like that, bro. Hey, you think you're gonna catch me? Nah, man. Hey, you know that's the thing I'm hiding. You know, I'm hiding that the beauty. You once you see it, like, oh damn, yeah, you better should have hidden that because I'm stealing everybody. So that's gonna be it. Come to Norway. I don't know. I'm gonna go across a couple though. So I'm it'll most likely be once the phase is out. I might go visit a couple of people. Might hold some what are they called? Gatherings as well. First one's definitely gonna be Dubai, I guess, where I'm gonna visit and stay. And ik kan ook Nederlands, yeah, if you were wondering. I can speak Dutch. Yeah, Amani, thank you for the support, brother. But yeah, Joseph XP, man, price looking good. I'm still excited for it. I'm still excited for the near future, far future, anything like that. I'm just freaking excited, not gonna lie. I've been holding XP for a very good while, as you guys all know. Would I sell it anytime soon? Probably not. Will I sell it $10, $20? Probably not. Will I sell some? Maybe. Would I sell everything? Definitely not. USMC says, how you sell XP once you move your coins from Coinbase to a Ledger, Nano Ledger? You just put it back, or you use the sell feature within Ledger Live. But I would say you just push it back. What is the question about that? Merry Christmas says, you should give away 1,000 XP right now. That would be nice, huh? 1,000 XP. That is $820 right now. That's a big sum. That's a huge amount of XP. You gonna sponsor it, bro? 1,000 XP like that? Boom. Crazy. M says, meet me in Dubai. My cousin owns Aggregator car sales. We're gonna take a car and cruise Dubai. So, M, I'll tell. Man, I got so many fun things to share, but it's too private. Maybe I'll share it soon. Maybe I'll share a couple of things. But yeah, first place is going to be Dubai, definitely. I'm going to be going across a couple of places. I'm also thinking about going to South Africa because there's a lot of people there too that I want to meet. But yeah, I'll get that schedule to you guys a little bit later, I guess, because I'm not sure yet. I want to go maybe to, I don't know, maybe some Asian country. I'm not sure which one just quite yet. I'm not thinking of America just quite yet, but maybe I should. The only problem is what freaking place do you go to, right? There's so many of them. Obviously, it's a big country. Come to India, man. I'm not even sure. India. So where you guys watching from right now? Just put it down below. I'm quickly checking to see, a little question. How would I call it? A little questionnaire. See where you guys are watching from. Keon says, I always buy my things with XRP. I used 1,000 XRP last. You're 800 a week. That's not good. You're doing something wrong then, I think. If you used $800 a week on that, that's not good. Tulsa, okay. India, Finland, Germany, UK, France, Netherlands. Hey, that's a good country. Can't sell on Coinbase yet. Okay, so use a different platform. Twente, hold on. That's in a mediocre place, but it's okay. Twente, I'll accept it. Holland, once more, good place. France. Bangalore, Silicon Valley in Asia. Oh yeah, Bangalore. Abu Dhabi. Hey, that's also a cool place. Amsterdam, California, Rotterdam, France, Portugal, Rotterdam, Mexico, Dutch guy from London. Oi. Vancouver, WA. I have no idea what WA stands for, but I guess whatever. Martha's Vineyard. I'm from India, and I'd say don't come to India. Thank you for being honest, Sahil. Thank you, man. Cash out to stablecoin. Finland, Texas, Belgium, Philippines, Mexico. Where do you think it's going to settle today? Man, don't ask me that question. Don't ask me where's the price going to settle today. We're going to see. All right, once more, it's an honest live stream, not a let me sell you something type of live stream. So I'm not going to say, oh, we're going to go here right now, going to go there right now. We took one profitable trade. That was it for me. I'm just waiting off right now to see what's going to happen. As you can see, we're in the middle. We're in the middle of things. Most likely going to go back down. That wouldn't be my usual instinct, as there's no real incentive to go up right now since we already got the big pump. However, we could continue on with this huge pump because of the anticipation of tomorrow. That is something which could happen, which has happened before. So I guess stick around and watch. But would I say buy now? I would say that's really scary. As maybe a good point of entry could be once we cross this top with the confirming candle afterwards on maybe a higher time frame, yeah. But just buying right now is a little bit scary. Even though, again, we might go either side really shortly here. Oh, no, I should say it differently. As we can't go either side here shortly. It's just scary. Somebody says, I don't understand the rumor of India banning crypto. It's just a framework is being prepared for crypto, not banning it. Man, I see everything surrounding India. I see ban. I see something. I see the exact opposite. I don't know. I don't know, man. I thought they were banning it too sometimes. Dominican Republic. Do you see XP at $100 in 2025? Man, if only I knew. If I knew that if that would happen, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. If I knew that in 4 years from now, each coin would go times at least 120, I wouldn't be sitting here right now. I would be partying every single day. If I knew that in 5 years would be extremely rich. Because I would take some loan, a small loan of $1 million. You remember that guy who said that the first time? And I would definitely get something going. If it's going to go times 100, yeah, I would be good. I would be happy right now. Living off my interest, right? Hordic Vliegscheite. I don't believe so. Sell your BTC, buy XRP. Should I? Derek says, I'm with Coinbase. What other safe platforms I can buy more XRP now? I believe if you're in the US, Uphold is going to be fine. I think that works like a charm. What else would work? I don't know what else you could use if you're in the US. I think Uphold is the biggest one people go for. Bitrue is another one which a lot of people go for, but Bitrue has only gotten a such max. You can't do too much. Maybe 2 Bitcoin is the max without KYC. I'm not sure about that though. You can check it out for yourself. KuCoin, Uphold. So Uphold, Bitrue, KuCoin. I think that those are your main ones. But damn, we've been streaming for about 1.5 hours. That is crazy. We got 26,000 playbacks. I think, how many views do you think we've gotten? Maybe 10,000? Something like that? 15,000 maybe? That is crazy. That is so insane, guys. Once more. It's just, I'm always really amazed with how many people show up all the time. All the people who press the like button, it's always appreciated. We got 9.9. No, I'm not sure. It doesn't show up just quite yet. I think it will show up after I close the video out. We got a couple of people in here right now. We got freaking 1,400 still. Oh, my days. I can almost not end it purely because there's so many people on here. Damn. Oh, damn. Any warning, all of you, to sell your XRP? Whales are going to dump. Most likely. Okay, George says they put Korean won back on Live Coin Watch. Let's quickly check. Because Live Coin Watch usually is really real with all this stuff. So it would be odd if they took it off. It's still in the depth chart, so that hasn't changed. But let's quickly see. If we rank it by volume, yeah, it's back in. So let's quickly see if they replied to my comment now. Because we were telling you guys about it. Let's see if they replied. Okay, hey. Okay, so very big thumbs up to them for fixing that. That's nice. They fixed it because we pointed it out. I like that. That's an exchange that does their stuff properly. That is, not exchange, I guess an aggregator. That is 10 minutes that it took to fix it. That is good. That is nice. Little thumbs up to them, guys. Little thumbs up to them. Once more, this is why I use Live Coin Watch, not CoinMarketCap. Screw that. I don't like them. I don't like them too much. They will never attempt to help you. They will only try to hurt you because these are Bitcoin maxis. At least that's the way I put it. Remember a couple of weeks ago when they used to put at the number 0 spot the Tesla and the Wall Street bets thing? I don't like them too much. Lifecoin Watch, however, this is freaking world class. I gotta give them a big thumbs up where it's due, guys. Gotta give it to them. Honestly, that is nice stuff. But yeah, where are we buying XRP again? I'm not buying XRP for a little while here. Could we have bought earlier today? Most likely. Are we buying right now? I'm a little bit afraid to buy right now. It's too high. But it's all relative, though. Think about it, man. If somebody ever is going to tell you, looking back, oh, I bought XRP at 80 cents, it's going to be like, oh, that's pretty damn cheap. However, because we've been sitting at 50 cents for such a long while, it's a little bit expensive for me. So I would be comfortable if we just go to the moon right now. I already have enough XRP for my bag. I feel comfortable. If we go up to the moon, I'm good. If we go down, I'll buy more. I'll let you guys know what I'm doing pretty soon. There's still, if you want to, if you're interested in my exact portfolio, what coins I hold with what percentage, go check out Patreon. There's a link down below. Once more, you don't need it, right? Because I talk about coins in my videos as well. But if you want to, there's a Patreon down there, and you can check it out. It's just the coins that I hold and everything like that. It's a couple dollars a month where I'll update you with whatever coins I am buying if I'm buying a ton of them. So that is that. That was it for today's video, guys, or live stream. We have 1,300 people watching, so I almost do not dare to end it. Let's quickly see if we can get to, we need 20 more subscribers. 20 more subscribers to get to 82,000. Can we get that still? For all the people that are watching, if you're not subscribed, make sure you press that subscribe button. We need 28 more to get to 82,000. That would be crazy. Somebody says ADA flipped. Let me quickly see that too. Have to witness it. Have to quickly check that out. ADA has flipped. Yeah, so XP is now also on the 6th in the live coin watch or in almost any ranking. I guess this might also be because Korea got entered now again. Not quite sure about that, if that has changed anything. I guess that might have also uplifted the price a little bit. Not too sure about that. We need 3 subscribers more to go. Ooh, we're very close to that one. You've been sub for 2 years, Tristan? That is crazy, man. 2 years. You've been waiting for a long time then, huh? That is crazy, guys. That is crazy. Done. Just subscribe. Thank you, Mike. Once more, you didn't have to, guys. You can always unsubscribe if you don't enjoy the content anymore. But I try to do my best effort to make it, enjoyable for you all. If you ever have any feedback, if you think, hey man, you can do this better, you should maybe try to adjust this, you can always let me know. I try to read every single comment all the time. So once more, just trying to stay real with you guys. Just once more, you guys understand the picture, right? I try my best, and I try every single day. I upload every single day. Wish you could subscribe again ×3. Thank you. You don't have to do that. Boys, I am so extremely excited about XRP. I hope you guys are all excited with me here, man. If you are watching right now, you wanna talk more with other XRP holders, there's a Discord link. Ooh, I should quickly maybe copy the link. Go check it out. There's an XRP Discord and a Dusty BC Discord. I'm gonna quickly copy the link for the XRP Discord right now. You should go check it out. Link down below. There's mostly gonna be a ton of people who you want to chat with or who you can chat with. Once more, you don't have to join, but it might be something fun for you. Maybe you like it. I will quickly make sure the link never expires and no limit to the amount of users. Generate new link. There we go. I'm gonna put it in the chat box right now. If you want to, you can join that. Chat with some people in the XP community. It's hopefully the second biggest XP Discord out there. So once more, go check it out. A link is down in that little box right there. Once more, if you want to, you can check it out. And everybody, thank you so much for subscribing. We got almost 50 subscribers just because I said that. That is insane, man. I'm gonna try to do live streams a little bit more often because I think a lot of you guys do enjoy it. Martin says, I'm going to head off. Was a pleasure. Hey, was a pleasure having you here. I'm doing my salute as a soldier. It was a pleasure having you all here. We've all watched XRP unfold here. Hopefully, we're going to surge once more past this 87-cent area, but don't expect it. So, let's just wait it off. Guys, thank you all for sticking on. Once more, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again in another live stream soon.